Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into gnocchi food, what it is, why it's different from pasta, and how to cook it so it stays tender and delicious. I'll also show you the main types of gnocchi and quick tips for shopping smart. If you've ever wanted a dinner that feels like a warm blanket, gnocchi food is a great place to start. Gnocchi, pronounced gnocchi, are soft dumplings, most often made with potatoes, flour and egg. They cook fast, taste mild, and soak up sauce like a sponge. People love gnocchi because it's comforting without being complicated. You can boil it in minutes, crisp it in a pan, or bake it with sauce for a cozy casserole-style meal. It also plays well with almost any flavor, from simple butter and herbs to rich tomato ragu. This guide breaks down the main types of gnocchi, how gnocchi differs from pasta, how to cook it so it stays tender, not gummy, and easy weeknight ideas you can pull off at home. What is gnocchi food, and why is it different from pasta? Gnocchi is an Italian dumpling, not a noodle. The classic version is potato gnocchi, made by mixing cooked potato with flour and sometimes egg, then shaping small pillows or ridges that catch sauce. While many people group it with pasta, gnocchi eats differently. Think of pasta as chewy and springy. Gnocchi is softer and more delicate, with a light, starchy bite. When it's made well, it feels tender and a little fluffy. When it's not, it can turn dense, sticky, or heavy. For home cooks, the big takeaway is this. Gnocchi isn't trying to be al dente. Your goal is cooked through and tender, with enough structure to hold its shape and sauce. Buying gnocchi is also easier than many people expect. You'll see fresh gnocchi in the refrigerated section, shelf-stable packs in the pasta aisle, and frozen options near other frozen meals. Each can work, but they behave a little differently in the pot and in the pan. Common types of gnocchi you will see. Potato gnocchi is the classic. It is soft, mild, and usually the most pillowy. It works best with simple sauces that don't bury it. Ricotta gnocchi is lighter and more tender, with a gentle dairy flavor. It can be delicate, so handle it carefully when tossing. Cauliflower gnocchi is often firmer and less fluffy. Many brands are made to crisp well in a skillet or air fryer. Shelf-stable gnocchi is convenient and easy to keep on hand. It's usually a bit denser, which makes it a good fit for pan searing. Frozen gnocchi is handy for quick meals. It can release more water, so don't crowd the pan if you're crisping it. Quick shopping tips include checking the ingredient list, choosing smaller gnocchi for lighter meals, and noting whether it's fresh, frozen, or shelf-stable because cooking times can change. That's it for part 1. Now you know what gnocchi is and how to handle it. In part 2, we'll cook it and explore sauces, add-ins, and easy ways to serve it. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.